Hey Diana, your favorite Astro-Nerd. I am going to show you some of my favorite apps that I use to help me in star photography. So let's take a look at these apps and I hope you enjoy this video. I think this is where we need to start planning our imaging sessions. Without the right scene conditions and weather conditions, it's not going to happen. And these are all free apps. It's a free app. That's the most important thing to know. It's also good for iPhones and Android. It updates hourly, and you are going to get a very specific 7-day hourly forecast for those low, medium, high, and total cloud coverage. Well, the total cloud is kind of like okay, we can see that. And also the scene conditions. ISS pass over information. We have all kind of satellites and stuff going all the time. I use this app many times. Maybe it failed a few times here and there occasionally. Astro-Spheric is the most advanced forecasting service for North American Astronomer. It uses the amazing astronomy data produced by Canadian Meteorological Center. Astro-Spheric quickly produces a high accurate 48-hour forecast for any location in the continental USA or Canada. But if you're using smart telescopes a lot like I am doing too, then I like to use certain apps that are going to kind of like complement what we have already in our telescopes app. There are several that I like to use depending on what kind of sky objects or targets I am going to look for. Let's take a look. Planetarium is probably the most popular planetarium app. It's very complete. It can be used in iPhone, Androids, and also as a desktop software. And I have it in all of my computers. And this is the app that I use with all my traditional gear. And one of the most precise and best apps, especially that it's free ever, that I found a long time ago. Not too many people talk about it. Is Photopills. And this is a free app and it comes in English and Spanish. For Spanish, press 2. And it's an excellent app. And I want to show you some of the features on this one, especially for special events, eclipses, the moon, the sun, landscape, star trails, how to figure out the field of view. This is a precise app that is going to give you the exact moment by the second of any sky event you're looking for, and also has the augmented reality. Sky Safari is another great app, and this one it has a free version and also a paid version. It has 2 nights, best for your location, all kind of information regarding satellites, asteroids, different sky events, observing planners, and detailed information about the sky objects. And here we go. Some of my favorite apps with augmented reality, which is that amazing feature. Please check my YouTube membership program where you can download lots of the tutorials, and you can find it on my page under membership and join. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. It makes a big difference.